everyone! Welcome sa ating channel, DR23 TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa lahat na nandyan. And thank you so much everyone for your love and support sa iyong lingkod DR23 TV. Yan guys, habang tayo nag-iikot dyan at nagbumuni-muni dyan sa ating grocery, shout out tayo sa lahat na nandyan. Shout out Bahay Kulitan. And of course, sa ating mga nagwagwapuhan at nagmamatsuhan dyan. Sa ating mga kapatid ng Bahay Kulitan, Kakulitan. Shout out, mega love shout out sa ating master, among the Master Worm, Yahoo! Of course, hindi nag-iisa ang ating gwapo Matsu sa Bahay Kulitan at marami pa yan. Mega love shout out kapatid, RMTV21. Jess Posada, Speaky kay Talong. Shout out. George Adventurist. Ayan. Jude Charity Lover. Shout out. Yan yung mga gwapo Matsu sa Bahay Kulitan. Bro Opo Yuyu, the Tom Cruise ng Bahay Kulitan. Shout out. Bro Idol, Pabi Boys. Shout out. Of course, ang ating maingay, Jonel Alvarez. Hehehe. Shout out. At ang gwapo, Matsu talaga ng Bahay Kulitan, the Rose DDR. Ayan, Rose DDR, mega loud shout out. Ayan, at sino pa? Welcome ang ating bagong kakulitan, the Puppies. Ayan, thank you dyan sa inyong lahat guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong love and support. Bahay Kulitan, Team Puyaters, Team One Love, and ang ating Barangay Alvis. Gandang Soprino, shout out. Ayan, syempre, hindi nag-iisa ang ating mga gentlemen sa Bahay Kulitan. Mayroon tayong ladies, of course. Ang mga nagagandahang ladies sa ating Bahay Kulitan. Ang ating admin ng Bahay Kulitan, shout out, mega lang shout out. Sis Bombs too. Sis Ann Kotik, Doc Z, and of course ang sexy Mer Ristani ng Bahay Kulitan. Asawa ng mekaniko, mega loud shout out. Russell William, shout out. Rochelle Guapahon. Of course, ang ating kay gandang dilag ng Bahay Kulitan, Inday Dayag, shout out. Inday Ana, mega loud shout out. Yams OFW, guapa, mega loud shout out. Of course, Miss Chelsea, shout out. Madam Grace. And of course, ang ating Marites Tipodan, the Street Vendors, mega loud shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Sis Mary P, mega loud shout out. Mercy Ketchup, of course, and Sis Maymay, mega loud shout out. Sis City Love, of course, hindi mawawala ang ating sexy Nanay Daisy, mega loud shout out. And Sis Remy G, guapa, shout out. And of course, sexy Skylet. And ang ating maganda, of course, ka-amusing ng Bahay Kulitan, mega loud shout out. Ayan. At siyempre, ang ating mga barangay LEs, kay gandang mga dilag at guwapo sa barangay LEs. Maraming salamat, Gandang Supreme, for your love and support. Of course, Nanay Daisy and Nanay Esper. And Nanay Esper, thank you so much for your love and support. Sis Hacker Love. And thank you everyone. And of course, sa ating Kuya Jam, CG Family Officials. Mega loud shout out sa iyo dyan. Thank you so much for your love and support sa aking mga live. Sis Marchie, Boss Bing, and sino ka? Vlog Diaries. Ayan, thank you for your love and support sa aking mga live dyan. And Sino pa? Lee Ilonggo. Yan. Thank you for your love and support. Sis Marlene. And sis Shiva. Shiva de la Roma. Thank you so much for your love and support. Tita Mayang. And sis Black Pearl. Thank you so much. And sis Monshine. Mega Migalaw. Shout out. Thank you for your love and support. And the Sweetie Meat. My batchmate. Shout out. Thank you so much for your love and support sa aking live. Sino pa? Idol Hadi Harshon. Thank you, thank you. The Mountain Man. Manoy June. Ayan, Migam Galaw. Shout out. And of course, ang ating D-Live ng Tiempo Yatters. Migalaw. Shout out. Sino pa? Ayan, sa lahat ng mga nandyan, guys, maraming salamat sa inyong love and support na sa inyong lingkod DR23. Kaya, ang maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan. Ayan, at marami pa ang ating iikutan dyan sa ating grocery world dyan. At hindi naman madami ang aking pinamili dyan sa konti lang. Para-paraan lang yan. Thank you sa inyong lahat dyan.